Right here we have the 18 karat rose gold case, and we have this cream white dial and Roman numerals. Really pretty. Hey guys, I'm at the Majestic Collection. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful watch, the Cartier Santos. We're going to go ahead and start by taking the box off. Of course, we got our gloves to handle this properly. Here we have this beautiful, almost leather material box. And we're gonna go ahead and open that box up. We got this beautiful Cartier and blue leather straps. Looking really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up with the pillow, and here we have it. We're gonna go ahead and tilt this back towards the clasp, and we're gonna review this, and then we go ahead and go towards the bezel. And right here we have the 18 karat rose gold case, and we have this cream white dial and Roman numerals. Really pretty. And then we're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom first. So we have, again, this blue leather strap. We have a mix of high polished and brushed 18 karat rose gold case. Moving up towards the beautiful high polished bezel, and again, the cream dial. Going to the bottom left, we have brushed rose gold, going up towards the high polished bezel and the cream dial. Going towards the left side of the case, we have brushed rose gold, going up towards the beautiful glass crystal. And I'm going to shimmer this a couple times for you so you can see the condition. Looking beautiful. And then we're going to go up towards the top left. We have this brushed 18 karat rose gold, going up towards the high polished bezel. And again, we got really pretty crystal here with the cream dial. And then the top, we have the same thing, little line of high polished rose gold, brushed rose gold on both edges. Moving up towards the high polished bezel and the cream dial. In here on the right side, top right, we got the same thing, brushed rose gold. Moving up towards the bezel and the cream dial. Shimmer this a couple times, and right here we have this beautiful pull-out crown or non-screw down crown. Moving up towards the bezel and the cream dial. Shimmer this a couple times for you. Last but not least, we have the bottom right and brushed rose gold. Moving up towards the bezel, and here we all have it. I'm going to go back towards the clasp, and we're going to go ahead and review this closely. We have this beautiful rose gold as well. We're going to go ahead and unbuckle this clasp. Put the pillow away, and here we have this inside of the clasp, beautiful condition. And we also have the back case, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at that closely. Looking absolutely perfect and really good condition. Even the inside of the straps looking really good. So here we have it. I'm going to go ahead and start by checking out the functionality of this watch. Pretty simple. We have this pull-out crown or non-screw down crown. We're going to go ahead and set this at 2 o'clock. And then we can go ahead and move this to 2:30, and noticing the sinking hour hand going exactly between the 2 and the 3 o'clock. And we're going to go ahead a full hour, and notice that the hour hand is synced to move from the 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock when the minute hand is right at 12. So that is looking good. Now we're going to go a 24-hour sweep. Noticing the hour hand moving between the hour marks and right between them when the minutes hand hits the 12 and the 6. Here is the 24-hour sweep. back to 12, back to 2 o'clock. And we also notice the date change. The date wheel right there has changed as we go past 12. And right now is 30, just changed to 31st. So the date wheel is also synced. Now we're gonna set this hour at 6:30. As we all know, this is the safest hour to really check out or operate on a watch. We're gonna push this one in, and actually I'm just gonna change this a little so we can see the date wheel right here. And here's first, second, third, fourth, and we need to go a full month sweep to make sure that all the dates are properly working. And right now we're on the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. We can go ahead and continue until we see back the first. And here we have it. So the first, so the watch is looking great. Functionality is great. The last thing we're going to check is the component of this box. So I'm going to set this back on the side right here with the pillow. I'm going to go ahead and see what we got in the box. Pretty hard when you have a glove on, but we're going to do our best. So right here we have the international warranty card. Then what we got here is the Cartier manual and a Cartier care, and that's all we have with this watch. It's a complete set in mint condition, beautiful watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.